Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the ExpertPower 12v 33ah Rechargeable Deep Cycle Battery, the EXP1233. This genuine ExpertPower battery is the most trusted and highest reviewed sealed lead-acid battery on Amazon. With a battery type of 12V 33ah 10-hour sealed lead-acid, you can trust in the quality and assurance of this battery. Crafted with a rugged construction and utilizing absorbed glass mat (AM) technology, this battery is ultra durable and provides a wide temperature range. Not only is it of high quality, but it is also user-friendly. The easy, one-time installation of this maintenance-free and valve-regulated battery will get your system or application running in no time at all. So, if you are in need of a reliable and long-lasting battery for your application, then the ExpertPower 12v 33ah Rechargeable Deep Cycle Battery is the one for you. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to upgrade your battery system. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the ExpertPower 12v 33ah Rechargeable Deep Cycle Battery. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.